I went to see my endocrinologist today. It was my 6-month checkup with him. I seem to be going every 6 months. And I had lost another 10 pounds from the time I was in there the last time. So that's almost 60 pounds since I've been seeing him in like 15 months now. And of course, he was thrilled because, I lost 230 pounds and stuff. So he didn't know what I started with at 398 pounds in that wheelchair. So today I showed him my before pictures and he was just like aghast. And he was just like, wow, you are such a inspiration. He goes, you really have rebuilt your life. And he goes, and I'm just so happy. He goes, you're my success story. And I was like, yeah, that made me feel really good. And my A1C was 5.3. He goes, that's normal. Like not even being a diabetic anymore, which, that is amazing because diabetes is just destroying your body. I mean, it is bad. Diabetes just destroys you from the inside out. And, you see people losing their legs and their feet, toes, things like that. But it destroys you from the inside out, your organs. Anyway, it is shot night. So I want to get it in tonight. Sometimes I don't get it in on time, and tonight I want to get it in because I was really excited about my appointment today. And yeah, so I mean, I'm in the 160s, almost at goal. Don't have that much further to go. And yeah, I actually didn't think I'd lost any weight since the last time I seen him. So when he said I was down, 10 more pounds, I was like, oh, almost like 60 some pounds now. Unlock that baby. Or rip out the base. Okay, I'm fully dressed. Got jeans on. Yeah, I guess I'll just do the belly shot. Mounjaro, 15 milligrams. Sorry, it's been a really long day. My appointment was at 8 o'clock this morning. The trip is 40 miles over a mountain pass. We had to be up super early. And right now, it's Wednesday night, super late. And yeah, I'm a little tired, but I wanted to film. Well, I really wanted to get my shot in too, but I wanted to film it and tell you how exciting it is to be doing as good as I feel like I'm doing. And I'm just excited about my life. I'm excited about everything that's going on. A girlfriend of mine, we both had the gastric bypass at the same time. And neither one of us had success. Now, my stomach was torn up from an acid reflux surgery. But she did, I don't know why she really struggled even more than I did. She lost a lot of weight. You can't judge people's journeys. We're all different. She was really putting her weight back on. And today she stopped and see me. We're out talking. I'm like, God, you look amazing. We're like both about the same size now. And because she had lost 100 pounds after she had her gastric bypass, and then she almost put it all right back on. And she goes, all I thought about was food. And I'm like, it doesn't take long for that appetite to come back. Gastric bypass, yeah, the appetite comes back and you can go right back up. Anyway, she goes something about taking the shot, and I go, did you get on medication? I go, which one are you on? And she goes, yes, I'm on Zepbound, which is the same as Mounjaro. And she goes, I was just gaining weight so fast, and all I could think about was food. She goes, I had to do something. She goes, so the doctor that got me to get the gastric bypass, I talked to her, and she said, yes, let's do this. So she's on Zepbound, and man, she is just dropping all that weight she gained, and yeah, I'm really happy for her. And I go, I really want my daughter to try it. I go, she's gaining weight really fast. I go, but her boss that she worked for this summer talked her out of it, where I had her convinced to try it. her boss that she worked with this summer has her talked out of it, and yeah, she's decided not to try it. And I'm like, well, your boss is very thin and athletic looking. And she goes, oh yeah, she was a big softball star and everything. And I go, and she goes, oh yeah, she's always been really thin, she said. And I go, she's never had a weight problem. She's like, oh no. I go, well then she wouldn't understand. You're almost 400 pounds. God darn it. I'm just worried about her. I'm worried about her health. She's trying to carry all that weight. She's working 40, 50-hour not shifts, but weeks, on her feet, and just to go. And I just want my baby. I just want my baby to get help. And I believe that this would really help her. I don't want her to have gastric bypass. I don't want her to have surgery like that. Try the shot. If it doesn't work, you don't like it, quit. I've been trying to set the example, not preach. And I had just really, she told me she was going to do it. And she got her medical insurance and everything. I was so excited and happy. And then she's like, well, I can't do it this summer. They want me to go see a dietitian. I'm too busy. And, but I didn't realize that the boss that she has now had talked her out of it. I don't get it. Oh, conspiracy. No, I don't know if it's conspiracy theories, or they all believe the wrong thing about the medicine. Or is she just doesn't want her to lose weight? Could that be a sabotage thing? Because I truly believe in sabotage by other women. Especially others. Oh, never mind. I just don't know. I just was worried about my baby. But anyway, I'm doing really good. I'm really happy. I got to only worry about myself. That's my problem. Focus on myself. I always worry about other people, focus on other people. And that's what got me up to 400 pounds. And from now on, I have to focus on myself, my own, just building my self-esteem, myself up, setting the example. That's what I decided I would do. I would just set the example, and hopefully it will rub off. And who knows, maybe she'll change her mind and try it. No, I did check my lighting. Gosh darn it. I was just so excited to get the shot and tell you guys about my good news. My endocrinologist who prescribes my Mounjaro and my thyroid medicine is thrilled with my progress. And so am I. Debbie Garcia, the badass baby boomer. I've lost 230 pounds. I got 2 new knees. I did a year of physical therapy, and no more wheelchair, no more walkers, no more canes. Life. That's what I got now. No more walkers, no more canes, no more wheelchairs. Just got a life. Yes, I did. I want my baby to have one.